Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I will give you a complete guide how to use DeepSeek by its website and also on your local computer. So let's go to our laptop screen. So I will open DeepSeek website in my browser. So it bring me to this home page. Here I can start now to use this and I can log in it with the help of my Gmail. So this is my agency account, login in it. It's the same like ChatGPT. We can ask some questions from it. Are you better than ChatGPT? So here is a little fun. Here is its answer. Hi, I am DeepSeek V3 and AI assistant independently developed by the Chinese company DeepSeek. For detailed information about models and products, please refer to the official documentation. This is very genius answer. So now I will teach you other option how you can install this model into your PC. So this is the link from which you can download the Olama setup and I will share this link. So here you click on the download button and download for Windows, but I already have been installed in my laptop. So this will be downloaded as a setup, then run as an administrator. So after installing it, we have to choose the model. Okay, so here is the versions of DeepSeek we have, like 1.5 B, 7 B, 8 billion, 14 billion. So it depends on the capacity of your laptop. And here is the detailed information is given about the models. So we will install the 1.5 billion model in our laptop. So now you have to copy this 1.5 billion model link from here and you have to open your command prompt and you have to paste that link here and then enter the link. So I have prepared it before the video because it's a huge file like 1.1 GB. Then you will enter, it will start downloading by itself and here you can see that it is showing that your model has been succeeded. Okay, so now we will ask question from it. Hey DeepSeek, are you installed here? So here you can see that this model is running locally into my laptop and you can use it personally to make the new applications and you can ask questions from it also like can you help me to make a diet plan for me? So you can see that how fast he is responding and my laptop has very minimum specs like 8 GB RAM and I don't have any SSD in it too. So that's it for this video. In this video I give you an overview how you can use DeepSeek on a website like a ChatGPT and also how you can use it locally into your laptop or computer. Thank you so much. I will meet you in the next video about the AI automation and how you can use these new AI tools in your day-to-day activities. Thank you so much.